Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the like button. Really helps out my channel a lot and your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the quick disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $920 billion, up 6.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, especially after having a massive dump over the past couple of days. We will definitely take this massive green across the board, but nothing to be getting super excited about right now because we still need to see the price of Bitcoin at specific price levels for us to really start getting excited. Until then, I am not getting excited at all. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Solana. All right, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you guys, my Solana family, for showing so much support. I greatly appreciate it and really does keep me going. So keep supporting me and I will continue bringing these videos for you guys. Looking at the price of Solana right now, it is at $32.51. Up 61.7%. I'm not 61, I wish, but it will get there. But it's up 6.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. But if we're comparing it to the Bitcoin comparative, it's down about 1.8% in the last 24 hours. Rank in the cryptocurrency market is at the top 9 spot with a market cap of $11.1 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is $2 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, down 7.8%, most importantly, down 34.4% in the last 30 days alone. But in the last 7 days, we are seeing some sort of green across the board. And you guys know, if you guys are a continuous follower on my channel, I've been updating you guys with the price of Solana, and I do see Solana really taking over in the immediate short term. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff, the price. What is going on with the price and where could we be going in the immediate short term? So currently trading at 32.6 cents. This is the daily time frame, and I always like showing you guys this. So since all-time high to this day, we are down about 87.6%. We are down quite a bit since all-time highs, because all-time highs were just this past November, and in just a matter of a couple months, we have seen the price go down about 87%. But if I am bringing the 1 hour time frame to really give you guys a better understanding as to what is going on with the price of Solana, we saw the price of Solana go all the way up to $35 today. Obviously, after having Bitcoin really have a nice move towards the upside, we did see the price of Solana reacting as well. But Solana has been doing quite well, and let me share as to why I believe that. So since this original so back on June 6th, we saw the price trading at $44.93. And obviously, we did see the price of Solana tumble down towards very sharply, obviously, because of the fact that Bitcoin saw a massive retrace in its price. And obviously, when Bitcoin sees that, everything is going to follow the Bitcoin's price momentum, and Solana is definitely no exception. But look at what's going on. Look at this beautiful pattern that we have been building. So Solana saw a price go all the way down to $25 to $26. But since then, it has been creating higher lows within its price. So you can see $25.94, but then you guys can see, you guys get the better understanding as to what really is going on within the price of Solana. We have been creating higher lows over the past couple days, and that's something definitely good to point out for you guys. And if this Bitcoin momentum continues to carry on, most importantly, if the price of Bitcoin is able to go back to that $22,000 support level, which I've been talking about for quite some time, that's the zone I'm looking at. I'm not excited right now at all. Yes, we have seen a nice bounce back up from these levels that we saw for Bitcoin just yesterday after having that flash crash. We have seen a nice bounce up. But even though we have seen that, I'm still not optimistic. I need the price of Bitcoin back at that $22,000 resistance level. We need to stay above there. As I mentioned in my other videos, I am totally fine if the price of Bitcoin consolidates around there, trades sideways over the next couple months. I'm totally fine with that. But guess what that's going to do for altcoins? Altcoins, I believe, are going to pop up because BTC dominance is going to continue to pull back down. But as of now, that's not the case. We're still not out of the woods just yet. We need to be at that level. And until we're not there, we're still open to go back down to $17,000 low that we have seen since 2020. All right. So, like I said, Solana is looking very, very, very bullish over the past few days. And, just one thing you need to look at is the Solana's 24-hour trading volume. It's outrageous, quite high buying pressure coming in, and that's exactly what we need to be seeing happen right now. And I've been mentioning to you guys for quite some time how much of a believer I really am on Solana and how I believe that this project is extremely undervalued. And the next bull cycle, I do see this project sitting at $1,000 minimum in the next bull cycle. And I do believe that this bear market that we are in right now, we are in a bear market. This bear market is going to be short-lived compared to previous cycles because we are in a total different time now compared to previous bull cycles, which lasted way longer compared to now. I do believe this bull market is going to come sooner rather than later because, one, institutions are in, and overall global, news that's happening. There's so much going on in the world right now. Interest rates are climbing like crazy, inflation, along with stock market uncertainty. A lot of factors that are going to have Bitcoin really test what it was really built for as an inflationary hedge against inflation. So we are going to see, I believe, the overall bear market not last too long. Yes, we could see a bear market for the next 8 to 12 months, but I do see the market picking back up after that very, very fast. And guess what? The project of Solana is definitely going to be here to stay, as I have mentioned for quite some time. Prices like these, $32, is going to be laughed at in the next 12 to 15 months time period because I do see Solana as the next Ethereum, and it reminds me of the early Ethereum beginnings. And I've told you guys quite some time that the ecosystem's tremendous growth over the past couple, months to 1 year. We have seen the overall, ecosystem go absolutely nuts. It's growing at a tremendous rate. Even though we have seen the prices go down 87%, ecosystem is on the rise, and I do believe it's going to continue to rise as we go into the future. In the next 3 to 5 years, if they continue doing what they're doing, Solana could be the next big thing. And we already know that there are some big institutions that are eyeing on Solana along with some big investors. So Solana price right now is short term, but I do believe the new highs are inevitable. And right now the price of Bitcoin is very, very on the shaky side of the spectrum right now. But if we do go to 22,000, I do see Solana reacting with that. And one thing I would like for Solana to do is get back into the 78.6, which is at that $57 and around 84 cents mark. Last time we saw the price of Solana try to break back into that was May 16th. So that would definitely be something really, really nice for us to see. And if I'm bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that means a move of about 74% from its current price levels. Is that possible? Definitely is. But all eyes should be on Bitcoin right now. And staking rewards, 74% of the circulation is being staked right now. I always like bringing this to you guys so you guys really get a picture as to how much people are optimistic about this project. Numbers speak for themselves. People are staking. They're here to stay long term. They see these prices very, very, not here to stay. These prices are going to be way higher in the future. And that's exactly why most of the people are staking and earning passive incomes and making their holdings larger and larger. And that's exactly what people are doing right now. But let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Solana go. Like I said, my next target is around this price point at the $57 price point. But all eyes should be on Bitcoin right now. But if the price of Solana goes back down to this major level of support, which we have not been able to test as of now, which is at the $18.42 mark, I would be going absolutely all in if that were to happen. Not financial advice. You guys do what works for you. But that is it for today's update. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.